Good morning, students. This is Kumud Parashar from KV Mokamang Hart. Today we will learn a new chapter, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. To understand the chapter, first think the changes around us. There are two types of changes, like physical and chemical changes, which we can see in our daily life. Physical changes are such changes in which the composition of the substance is not changed and they are reversible, like ice. When giving temperature it converted into water. Again, when we give temperature to water, it is converted into vapor, and we can reverse it. If we lowers the temperature, the vapor convert into water, and again we again lower the temperature. When we put water in freezer, it again converted into ice. So these are reversible changes. If we see the type of changes which are chemical, it involves the chemical reactions in which there is change in the composition, and also they are इरिवर्सिबल. वो इरिवर्सिबल होते हैं. जैसे if we consider the following situations of daily life and think what happens when milk is left at room temperature during summers. जब हम दूध को लंबे समय तक गर्मी के मौसम में छोड़ते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि उसके टेस्ट और स्मेल में चेंज आता है, और वो इरिवर्सिबल होता है, और उस मिल्क के कंपोजिशन में भी चेंज होता है. Again, when we put iron tawa or nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere, then we see a brownish coating over it. That is the rusting of iron, in which also the new substance is formed with new composition. Again, some examples are grapes get fermented, food is cooked, food get digested in our body, we respire. In all type of situation, the nature and identity of the initial substances have somewhat changed. So these are chemical changes. So we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. We can define chemical reactions as it is a process in which one or more substances form new substance, and it cannot be reversed by physical method like magnetism, filtration, centrifugation, distillation, evaporation. हम इन सभी प्रोसेस से केमिकल रिएक्टेंट्स जो प्रोडक्ट में फॉर्म होते हैं उनको अलग नहीं कर सकते. So, if we see the chemical reaction, it involves change in state, change in color, change in temperature, evolution of a gas. So, if these observations are seen by us, we can say that the chemical reaction occur. Some other examples of chemical reactions are digestion of food, respiration, rusting of iron, formation of curd. So, we can define the chemical reaction is a process in which reactants get converted into a product which may be under the influence of a catalyst. If we see the chemical reaction, there are two types of substances participate in this. One is reactant and other is product. Reactant are those substances which take part in the chemical reaction, and product is the substance which are formed in the chemical reaction. For example, when we burn a magnesium ribbon in air, it gives us magnesium oxide. In this, magnesium ribbon and oxygen are reactant and magnesium oxide is product. We see in the example Mg plus O2, after reaction it will form MgO. It is just a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. Now it is not balanced, but it is just a symbolic representation of magnesium ribbon. When burns with oxygen, it gives rise to magnesium oxide. We can see in which in the slide in which the magnesium and oxygen Mg plus O2 is left side of the arrow. It is called as reactant because these are take part in the chemical reaction, and after the reaction perform, a new product magnesium oxide is formed, which is placed in the right side of the arrow. You can see that then the magnesium oxide is product. Thank you.